The UK government has started the process to phase out fossil fuels for home heating. By 2025, all new build homes will have to use sustainable solutions, like air source heat pumps. To reach the UK's net zero carbon targets, the government has committed to installing 600,000 heat pumps a year by 2028. To help train the thousands of installers needed to meet this demand, Mitsubishi Electric has expanded their Ecodan Training Centre here at their Hatfield head office. Today I've come to meet Dan Hodson, one of Mitsubishi Electric's technical trainers, to find out more. So Dan, thanks for having me here today. It looks fantastic. Tell me what the current situation is with heat pump installers in the UK.
There's around 120,000 gas-safe qualified engineers operating in the UK, but only around 1,000 MCS qualified air source heat pump installers.
That's quite a big difference, isn't it? And when you think builders, developers and homeowners have got to make the transition from oil and gas to heat pumps, that means you've got to create a whole generation really of new heat pump installers and upskill those gas engineers.
Absolutely. That's why we've expanded our training facility here, our head office in Hatfield, so we can get more people through the training, upskill those current engineers to be able to work on our air source heat pump products.
So how many installers do you train a year?
Up to around 5,000 per year. But with us expanding our facilities here, bringing in this new hands-on training, we hope we're going to get more through the door to meet that demand, that high demand of the industry.
Do you still do your online classroom style teaching as well as the hands-on?
We do. We still do our blended learning, so where we do the online training and then with a live webinar at the end. And if somebody then wants to take it to the next level after they've completed that training, they can come in-house, they can install, commission and fault find on the equipment and just get that more in-depth knowledge of exactly how the heating system works.
Now this has all changed a lot since the last time I was here. What's new?
Well, we've expanded and developed this training centre, made it a lot bigger so we can get more people in and we can showcase our air source heat pumps, our cylinders to our customers so they can get that hands-on experience.
And you've also got mechanical ventilation with heat recovery products in here as well, haven't you?
We have indeed. Over the last few years, fresh air and ventilation become a lot more important and a lot of our customers are installing our Losney equipment as part of like an integrated heating and ventilation projects, and we do actually provide a separate bespoke training course for those products.
Fantastic. Mitsubishi Electric's Upskill to Ecodan campaign encourages gas installers to broaden their skills to be able to deliver sustainable heating solutions. Claire Wittkopp is branch manager at Dodd Group. Claire, lovely to meet you. So Dodd Group as a business are investing more in heat pump training.
Yeah, we certainly are. We've found that there's a real high demand for heat pump installations, especially over the last couple of years. And we've been fortunate enough to be installing Mitsubishi heat pumps for over 13 years. But with the shift in the industry now, we're finding that we need to upskill more and more of our existing gas or oil engineers. We're also retraining the existing heat pump engineers, so this facility is fantastic for that. We understand gas isn't the future, heat pumps are going to become the future and will be standard in homes. So it's really important for us to be ahead of the market and make sure that we've got all of our operatives ready as this industry moves that way.
Ben Hopwood is Contracts Manager at Dodd Group and has completed the Ecodan training. Ben, great to meet you.
Hi George.
Now you've done the Ecodan course, haven't you? How was it?
It's absolutely fantastic. Done the 4 online modules, which is the main part, and then you come here for the 5th module and get to put into practice what you learn in the 4 modules.
And it's more hands-on here.
That's exactly what it is. You get in here, you go over briefly what you've done in those modules, and then you get to turn around and work on the units behind you and put them into practice hands-on.
So what sort of things are you learning in here?
It's all aspects, installation, servicing, commissioning and the fault finding things, which when you get out there in the real world you're going to need all those. So to get in here and actually do them hands-on is going to really help you for when you get out to the field.
And what about support from Mitsubishi Electric?
The Mitsubishi Electric support, it's been fantastic. The pre-sales, after-sales, technical support, they're just a call away.
Keep up the good work.
Thanks George, cheers.
To find out more about Ecodan training courses, visit their website at ecodan.me.uk/upskill.